Hello friends, welcome to CodeChamp. Today in this class, I am going to tell you how to make the logo in Canva. So as you can see, I have opened my Canva screen. Just click on this create option. When you will click on this create option, this is the search bar and just type here logo as my topic is logo. Here you can see different types of logo style. I want to prefer 500 by 500 logo because this logo will be set anywhere, either it's YouTube channel, Instagram, your website, your Facebook, your TikTok, anything you can use with this 500 by 500 size. We have two types of logo. First logo is known as the picture logo and the second logo is known as the text logo. Right now, first of all, I'm going to tell you the picture logo. Just choose any topic. Right now, I'm taking my topic like a coding. So this is my plain area. I just want to make it colorful. Just click on this white area. As you will click on this white area, see right now nothing is here. When I will click on this white area, this icon will open. This is the background color. Click on this background color. I prefer black. You can choose your one. That's your choice. This is the picture logo. Here I want to create a logo regarding the coding. So I'm going to click here on the elements. And I want to create my logo in a circle one. So I will click here on the frame. You will get the circle frame. Many types of frames are here. Mockup. If you will click on see all, you will get different types of mockup frames. If you are creating any fashion designing logo, then you can use this also. If you are using coding logo, you can use this. Okay, let's create one fashion designing. That will be a nice topic. I'm going to take this type of logo. So I'm just taking this and I want to make it big because the purpose is designing the cloth. So some shadow is here, flower is here. So my topic is fashion designing. Now go to element and now type here fashion word. After clicking on the fashion word, choose the photo. It will show you different types of fashion words logos. Just choose as per your choice. As I want to choose this one. Just rotate it. As you will rotate it, it will set here automatically. It will not take time. You just move your picture and it will be set there in mockup frames. Let it be load. Now you can see my designing is here. After this, I just want to set it. So now I'm going to make it small. It is ready. Here I want to take one picture. So I'm typing here fashion. In place of fashion word, I want to prefer fashion. I think fashion will be better. So I'm going to choose this one. It will look nice. Comparatively that. Same thing you will do. Just move the picture. It will be set. After setting the picture here, I just want to set the name. That what's the name of my brand. So just click on this text option and click on this add heading option. After clicking on heading, I'm just typing here fashion with Viva. Anything you can type. Now I'm going to select because I want to change the color. Select it. Choose. Here you can see photo color. So as my picture, all the colors are here. It's my suggestion. If you are creating the branding logo, you can choose the pictures as per your theme. So I'm going to choose this one. This is the point. With the help of this, you can make it down and up. Again, I'm showing you this one. Now, click on the effect option. Scroll it down. Click on curve. Now you can see it will be here. Now it's ready. Everything is ready here. I just want to make the group. So place a mouse here. Just drag it. Click on this group one. And then you can make it big as per your requirement. If you want to make it more down, then what you will do, click on effect option, scroll it down. This is the scale. You can make it, you can set it as per your need. Now it's ready. If you want to make the group, you can make the group also. Now, after this, I just want to set the borders. Go to element option and just type here borders. Many different types of borders are here. You can choose that one. If you don't like it, just simply move. It will go there. And after that, we will click on the graphics one and we will just select it. It will come here. And also we can make it big or set it down. Same, just plus icon is there. We will click on this plus icon. And after that, We just want to make it flip. So at the top side, you can see flip option is there. We will do the flip, horizontal and the vertical. So you can set like this. Now I just want to keep it a little bit down. Again, I want to keep it a little bit down. In this way, your picture logo will be created. So after completing this picture logo, we will scroll it down. As you can see here, add page option. I will click on this add page. One more page is there. As I have taken the black color in the starting, same color will be there at the bottom side. Now I want to create the text logo. Just go to the design option. Here you will see different types of text logo. As my topic is fashion with Viva, so I want to start with FW. So how we will do for this? Just go there at the top one. Go to the element option and here I want to type fashion Viva. So at the top side, I will type here capital F. Go to the graphic one. Here you will get different types of F. Suppose I want to take this one, for example. Now, after taking this, I want to change the color. It's black. I want to change it in yellow or whatever you want. I just want to set here fashion Viva. Now I want to set the V also. Now, after this, when I'm taking this one, as I will took this, see all. At the bottom side, you can see magic recommendation will open. It is showing see all option and many options are here. You can choose any. Like I want to check with V. So I can't see V here. Yeah, it's here. Let me change the color. I have taken the V and I just want to keep it little bit down. If you want to set it separately, you can keep it down like this. So my FV means both are here. F is there and V is here. Just keep it in the center. This is the text logo. But how can I tell that this is Fashion Viva? For this, I have to go to the text option. Again, take a heading and just type here Fashion Viva. Now, let me type Fashion with Viva. Again, going off effect option. Now take curve, but I want to keep it down, not the top. So I just move it curve upside. Means this is up, this is down. Now I just want to keep it downside. Fashion with Viva. I want to make it a little bit colorful. So what I will do, I will just select fashion. Choose the different color. Suppose I'm taking this. Now I'm going with width. Suppose I'm taking this. Now I'm going Viva. Example, I'm taking this. Now whenever I click here, you can see it's colorful. All are the down colors. You can take the premium color also, that's your choice. And after this, I just want to set the borders in the corners. So for this, we will go to the element option and we will just type here border. After setting the border, it will show you different types of border. Just choose one border as per your requirement. I want to take the corner border. So my one border is here. Let me make it small and just set it. Same we will do plus, keep it here. Just use the flip option, flip horizontal. It will be set here. Now I just want to keep little bit down. If you want same thing, you will use at the bottom side like plus. Okay, wait a minute. Let me make it duplicate. Keep it here, flip, horizontal and vertical. I will set here. Plus, I just want to keep it here. Flip, horizontal. In this way, you can set in all the ways and your logo is ready regarding Fashion Viva. But in the end, select all and don't forget to make a group. Now it is group, I can move it anywhere. If I don't want background, then without background, you can also use this. So like this, you can create your text logo, you can create your picture logo. That's your choice. Whatever you like, you just go with that. I hope both logos are clear for you. Just make a trial with it and then show it to me.